And thanks for tuning in. We're really glad you did, because in this tutorial we'll be doing a photo transferal of the very handsome sterling here onto a flat wooden bauble using Montmartre Deco Pudge. Deco Pudge is a fantastic art material that facilitates so many artistic activities, so let's get into it. So all you really need for this project is some Deco Pudge. We are using the gloss, but Montmartre has a matte version as well. A flat Taklon paintbrush, a laser printout of your chosen design, and something to transfer onto. In this case, a flat wooden bauble that we got from our local craft store. Once we have our printout, we paint a thin coat onto the bauble and carefully place the print face side down onto the bauble. Press the print onto the bauble and ensure that it is evenly in contact with the surface of the bauble. The bauble can then be weighted with a heavy book until the Deco Pudge cures. This might take up to 12 hours. Once the bauble is dry, we can profile the waste paper around the bauble. We can then remove the paper pulp and expose the print. If you like this project, we've got loads more on our website. Jump online to check out our Create blog and sign up with Creative Connection to get lessons, inspo tips and more sent directly to your inbox. Staying inspired doesn't have to cost a cent. So to remove the paper pulp, a soft washing up sponge is soaked in cool water and this is gently worked into the paper. It's best to create gentle circular movements. Take your time and don't rush the process. You will see that the paper starts to peel and come away exposing the print. Once all of the paper pulp is removed, allow the project to dry. Once dry, we painted the top of the bauble with silver paint, and once that was dry, we sealed it all with a final coat of Deco Pudge. The final step is to tie a piece of string to the bauble so we can hang sterling on our tree. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully you were inspired to pick up some Deco Pudge and create something amazing. Until next time, keep on creating, and if you have created one of our projects, make sure you'd send us a photo. We love seeing your creations.